Hey everyone, good morning from Clark with Restoration Advisors. This is going to be a follow-up to a video I made last night about the CoreLogic and Next Gear Solutions Dash acquisition takeover. Found some more information today. I didn't really look too much into it yesterday. Just if you follow the money, if you follow who the stakeholders are, it starts to tell you a big story. Doesn't give you all the answers, but it makes you ask more questions. So CoreLogic, who is just a large entity that owns a lot of other companies, and it just happens that Symbility is one of them, and they are involved in the property insights and data. These companies don't say, hey, we're estimating companies. We're involved in data insights and property insights. And actually, I'll read it to you from their website, and that's important because it's really important because they aren't saying that they're estimating companies. The game in the data is everything, so they can get the historical data for the statistics to understand more and control cost. So what I was looking for was CoreLogic's connection to the insurance industry, and I'm sure and they're publicly traded. Some of their stakeholders are probably clearly, I haven't gone that way, are clearly involved in the insurance, property and casual, or sometimes it'll be P&C insurance. So I'm looking, but what I did find right quick from a quick search was in April of this year, they were acquired for $6 billion by a group called StonePoint Private Equity, StonePoint Capital and Insight Partners. So when you check out StonePoint, go to their website and look at their portfolio or the other companies that they're involved with. P&C Insurance is one of them. So they are involved with serving the insurance industry. So we partner with property and casual insurance and reinsurance underwriters, including Lloyd's, other things, flood, workers' comp, personal lines, excess and surplus, crop, and blah, blah, blah. Just find it very interesting. You now might be using software that is partnered with insurance companies. I don't see anything in here about disaster recovery companies that they're partnered with, that they're trying to serve. I say, who does the company serve? Who's their avatar? Who's their ideal client? I don't see anything in here about a ServPro or ABC Restoration or anything like that. So ask questions. Doesn't really mean something nefarious. Doesn't mean something vindictive is up to it. But they want data. They want your information so they can make better, more streamlined, position themselves to help insurance companies make better decisions on how to be more profitable. It's what you're dealing with. And what you're dealing with today on getting paid is the culmination of this in the past, of this continued aggregation of data funneling into a very specific desire for them to be more profitable for their stakeholders. It's all they care about. I will tell you, as a whole, an insurance company does not care about its insured. It cares about its stakeholders. Maybe individuals in the company have a concern and a care and empathy for the homeowners. I don't see a lot of signs of that. It's usually something that they expose the opposite, but this is maybe how they do it. I don't know. Anyway, thought I would do that recap. You can do this research yourself, looking that up online. But certainly in April of this year, they got a fat wallet to go out and make acquisitions that will help them. Companies like this don't make acquisitions that don't lead towards more income, more money. Okay? Just do the math. Take care.